Yes, we're here again today to give you a hint on what you think are minor, but they are very huge. Where students loses marks when they write their school certificate examinations, either WAEC exams or NECO exams. Look at these questions. It says, a gun of mass 2 kg fires a bullet of mass 0.5 kilograms with a muzzle velocity of 15 meters per second. Determine the recoil velocity of the gun. Now, the solution is there. We use this small m to represent the mass of the bullet because the bullet is smaller than the gun. While we use the capital M to represent the mass of the gun because the gun is bigger than the bullet. This small v represents the muzzle velocity of the bullet, while the capital V represents the recoil velocity of the gun. Everything capital here on the right hand side of the question is all about the gun, while the one on the left hand side is all about the bullet. Now, most students will not have this negative sign here, and that's where the problem is. If you write small m times small v is equals to small capital M times capital V, you'll be penalized. The reason is this. The direction of the bullet and the recoil velocity of the gun are opposite. So this negative sign must compulsorily be added to the formula. But when you are now doing calculation, you disregard the minus sign. But at the formula, you must put it, otherwise you get penalized. Now let us substitute our values. What is the mass of the bullet? That is the mass of the bullet is let us see 0.45 times the muzzle velocity of the bullet is 15 meters per second. Then while the mass of the gun is 2, then times the recoil velocity of the gun, which is v. You cannot make v subject of the formula. We now have v to be equals to 0.45 times 15 all divided by 2. So if you check the calculator for this, the recoil velocity of the gun now is going to give us 3.375 meters per second. You can approximate to say v is equals to 3.38 meters per second. Note, if you put a wrong unit here, or you meet the unit, they take half from your marks. So these are the things. With what we have done now, a student will score the full marks. But without adding this minus sign here, the student will lose some marks. And if you use a wrong unit, or you omit the unit, you lose another half a mark. Thank you. We'll bring you another topic next time that will aid you when you are writing your school start examinations. Bye.